Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss all the answers of the question bank of BDP English paper 7 under Netaji Subhash Open University in West Bengal. So let's start. Question number 1. What was the common cultural trait of the modernist cultural creations from the late 19th century? Answer is strong impulse for experimentalism. Question number 2. What does W.H. Auden consider the 1930s as? Answer is the age of anxiety. Question number 3. Who wrote the essay The Painter of Modern Life? Answer is Charles Baudelaire. Question number 4. By whom were the Imagist poets influenced? Answer is French symbolist of late 19th century. Question number 5. Time present and time past are both perhaps present in time future. Who wrote the above lines? Answer is T.S. Eliot. Question number 6. Who wrote the essay The Quintessence of Ibsenism? Answer is George Bernard Shaw or G.B. Shaw. Question number 7. Who is the author of The Sacred Wood? Answer is T.S. Eliot. Question number 8. What does postmodernism distrust? Answer is grand narratives. Question number 9. Which of the following books are written by Lyotard? Answer is The Postmodern Condition on Knowledge. Question number 10. What does the word pastiche mean? Answer is to combine or paste. Question number 11. What does Baudelaire propose in Simulations? Answer is loss of real in contemporary life with infiltration of popular culture in every sector of private life. Question number 12. What does the term Spiritus Mundi in the Second Coming mean? Answer is soul of the universe. Question number 13. Which Shakespeare character is mentioned in the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock? Answer is Hamlet. Question number 14. From which source is the epigraph of the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock taken? Answer is Dante's Inferno. Question number 15. Which country is idealized in Rupert Brooke's poem The Soldier? Answer is England. Question number 16. Which one is the last line of Owen's poem Strange Meeting? Answer is Let us sleep now. Question number 17. Where does the line A serious house on serious earth it is occurred? Answer is church going. Question number 18. What is the profession of the father and grandfather in Seamus Heaney's poem The Digging? Answer is farmer. Question number 19. Where do the lines occur? Between my finger and my thumb, the squat pen rest, sung as gun. Answer is The Digging. Question number 20. What was the initial title of Sons and Lovers? Answer is Paul Morrill. Question number 21. Who is Paul Morrill's mother in Sons and Lovers? Answer is Mrs. Gertrude Morrill. Question number 22. How does Arshad call the white man in the lagoon? Answer is Tuan. Question number 23. Where does Thomas Wilson in The Lotus Eater describe to stay for the rest of his life? Answer is Capri. Question number 24. For how many years does Thomas Wilson buy his annuity? Answer is 25 years. Question number 25. How will you describe Rule Britannica mentioned in Shaw's essay Freedom? Actually, it is a patriotic song by James Thomson. Question number 26. Who is Henry Huggins? Answer is a fictional character, a professor of phonetics in Bernard Shaw's play Pygmalion. Question number 27. Who is Eliza Doolittle? Answer is she is a mouth cockney flower girl. Question number 28. What does a kitchen sink drama usually projected? Answer is on the core domestic issues and sensitive lives of commonplace men. Question number 29. Which of the following is the most important theme in Look Back in Anger? Answer is social protest. Question number 30. Who is P.T. Bowles in Birthday Party? Answer is the most laconic and responsible character in the play. Question number 31. Whose painting is Les Demoiselles d'Avignon? Answer is Pablo Picasso. Question number 32. In which of the following films is the dehumanization of factory workers represented? Answer is Modern Times. Charles Chaplin is there in this film. Question number 33. Who was the originator of the idea of the unconscious? Answer is Sigmund Freud. Question number 34. Where is the line "Glory to be God" for dappled things taken from? Actually, this line is taken from Hopkins' poem White Beauty. Question number 35. Who wrote the poem Geraniums? Answer is W. W. Gibson. Question number 36. Who wrote Speculations? Answer is T. E. Hume. Question number 37. Which of the following terms applies best to Ezra Pound? Answer is Make It New. Question number 38. What did T.S. Eliot admire in James Joyce's Ulysses? Answer is mythical methods. Question number 39. Who made the following remark about Graham Greene, the ultimate 20th century chronicler of consciousness and anxiety? Answer is William Golding. Question number 40. Who published and edited the magazine Scrutiny from 1923 to 1953? Answer is F. R. Leavis. Question number 41. What kind of work is Sir James Fraser's The Golden Bough? Answer is anthropological work. Question number 42. Who edited These Imagists, an anthology of Imagist poem in 1940? Answer is Ezra Pound. Question number 43. Which of the following phrases best summarizes T. E. Hume's perception of classicism? Answer is hardness and clarity. A rejection of self-expression as a literary ideal. Question number 44. By whose work Jane Franco's lauded greatly influenced? Answer is Ludwig Wittgenstein. Question number 45. Who coined the term intertextuality? Answer is Julia Kristeva. Question number 46. Who first used the term palimpsest? Answer is Gerard Ginetti. Question number 47. What image does the phrase Spiritus Mundi arouse in Yeats's mind? Answer is image of the phoenix. Question number 48. Who talk about Michelangelo in Eliot's poem The Love Song of J. Alfred Pufo? The High Class Woman. Question number 49. Who speaks the following words in Rupert Brooke's poem If I Should Die, Think Only This of Me? Answer is The Soldier. Question number 50. What is the major concern of the poet in Strange Meeting? Answer is pity of Ware. Question number 51. What does Larkin's poem Church-Going reflect on? Answer is the spiritual vacuity of the frustrated, depressed post-Second World War II Western men. Question number 52. What does the speaker in Seamus Heaney's poem Digging dig with? Answer is pen. Question number 53. Who is Paul Morrell's mother in Lawrence's novel Sons and Lovers? Answer is Gertrude Morrell. Question number 54. What is the geographical local of Conrad Shaw's story The Lagoon? Answer is Malay Peninsula or Malay Archipelago, Southeast Asia. Question number 55. Who was Thomas Wilson in Somerset Maugham's The Lotus Theatre? Answer is bank manager in London. Question number 56. What is G.B. Shaw's thesis in his essay Freedom? Answer is freedom is an illusion to modern men. Question number 57. Where is Moulmein, a place that is mentioned in Shooting an Elephant? Answer is Burma. Question number 58. Who is Colonel Pickering in South Pygmalion? Answer is a military officer belonging to upper class. Question number 59. In Look Back in Anger, which war did Jimmy's father fight? Answer is Spanish Civil War. Question number 60. How many acts does Harold Pinter's The Birthday Party have? Answer is 3 acts. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.